guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be forcing a glow up. I know what you're thinking of right now, like why would she want a glow up? It's public information that I'm hot. I don't even know why I'm doing this video to begin with. I just want to show you guys how to glow up because school is also just started and you know it's not too late to glow up yet. So yeah. So this video contains but not limited to me dyeing my hair, me doing my makeup, me getting my nails done, and also me picking an outfit, a slayage outfit to slay everyone and their moms.
Slay! Slay!
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna dye this hair because I mean it's cute, but like it's kind of boring if you ask me. It's just brunette, that's it. Like we need to spice it up, sissy. So I recently just bought these Hello Bubble.
No, it wasn't.
They're the Blackpink edition, ash khaki, and I'm gonna try and do this to my hair. I bought two because I'm also gonna dye my extensions. So I think we're gonna start.
Yes, we should.
So I already know how to mix this. I'm not gonna give you a tutorial on how to like do this. And it just so happens that I'm not an educational channel. So I'm sorry about that, sissy girl. Okay, so I think I've already mixed my mixture already. I'm gonna read some like instructions just so I don't fuck this up. So first step is to stop being delusional and remove all existing hair extensions. Okay, so my extensions are off. We don't have to be that personal with the instructions. It also said to do like a skin patch test. I didn't do that because I'm a baddie.
I saw none.
I'm gonna start doing my hair now, and I'm also gonna fast forward this video because this is not a tutorial on how to do your hair. Okay, so I've kind of done my whole entire head already. It kind of stings, but I think that's my fault because I didn't patch test. So reminder, patch test before doing your hair because it will sting. So I think I'm gonna leave it in for like, what, 45 minutes and do my extensions. And I'm gonna be right back to show you the results, so yeah. So this is how the hair turned out. Didn't really lift it lighter. Made it a bit ashy. I think I do like it. The extensions are still drying though, so I'm gonna get some sleep because I have a nail appointment later today. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys then, and I'm gonna bring you to my nail appointment. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go to my nail appointment. I'm gonna take you guys with me. For my nails, I don't really want to go extra. I'm just gonna do like regular almond nails. I'm not even gonna do the Hailey Bieber nails, just plain old nude nails. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me, so... Okay, let's do that again.
Hey guys, this is me, Zenrik, and I'm gonna do a voiceover for this one because actually it's really loud in the salon, so I can't handle that. And this is what I look like. I look kind of hot or whatever, and this is what the salon looks like also. I've been like going to the salon for a long time already, and this is what my nails look like before. Ew. Stormy, stop, Stormy. Okay, so now we're starting with the nails. That's my nail tech, by the way. He's kind of hot, but he's married, so back off, sis. Okay, so now we're starting with the nails already. We're filing, yes, period, boots the house down, boots. We're filing back and forth, always running out of money. That's what's on his shirt. I have to read it because I have ADHD. Okay, so this is what the finished nail looks like. Shawty my little baddie, she my little boo thing. I have to sing my own background music because I don't want to get copyrighted. Bye.
Hey guys, I know it's me, the baddie. You're welcome. Okay, so this is what I look like after an anxiety attack. Isn't that fun?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Okay, so the goal for today's vibe is to look like Madison Beer, which couldn't be more impossible based on what we have. Am I being delusional? Maybe. First step to becoming Madison Beer and to glow up, for heaven's sake, is to tame your brows. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Brow Freeze. Oh, and by the way, I also got like brow lamination 2 weeks ago. I know, I recorded that video intro 2 weeks ago, and I'm just making the video now. She's a bit of a procrastinator now, isn't she? The thing about me is that I like to cram things. I like to do things last minute. I like to set up deadlines for myself, and I completely not follow them. That's the only way to go, sweet cakes. Okay, so now that your brows aren't as wild as they usually are, we're going to moisturize and prime our skin. I'm gonna be using the Really Slick Cream Concentrate. I'm acting like a beauty influencer. I'm just putting the e.l.f. putty primer on the area where my skin likes to have pores, so that'll be this area right here. And I just like to massage it there, you know, like very chill, very therapeutic. Okay, now we're done with the base. So after that, we're gonna be using foundation to cover up all your insecurities that led to why your ex cheated on you. Yes, I'm mentioning the products because I'm a professional. I'm gonna use the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation and also the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. You know, I like to believe that I tan, but I really don't. Just 2 strokes. One here, one down the nose, and one on the forehead. Then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild and slather that all over my face. So a little bit of story time, guys. I've been gone for like approximately a year. A lot of shit went down in my life. 2021 alone, I broke up with my past boyfriend. You know, he was a nice guy and all, but there was just things that we didn't agree on. Shortly after that, I had COVID, and then my grandma died, which is really hard to handle. And then 2022 came. The elections. I cried 5 days after that, straight. And I'm not even straight. I really don't know what to do anymore. I think I'm gonna move to Antarctica. I'm gonna live in icy bliss and become one of Santa's elves. Okay, isn't Santa like on the North Pole? I don't know. So the next step in this makeup look is to cream contour. And I'm gonna use the M Cosmetics bronzer. This is really small in person. It's giving that guy that says, ooh, I'm an 8, but is like 4. But other than that, it's a really good bronzer. So I just put this on the natural contours of my face. I'm using the shade Terra, by the way. It's a bit cool tone. And I mainly use this for contour anyways. There. Okay, so now that we look like Vecna with this contour, you might want to grab a brush like this and then just blend it upwards, just like that, so that we won't have any harsh lines, because nobody wants harsh lines on their face unless you want to portray a zebra look. Oh, and by the way, so guys, I'm not gonna be getting really technical on this video on how I do my makeup. Like, if you're expecting dicks and tricks from me, I don't have it. Well, I mean, maybe the dick part, but like... What did he say? Okay, really quickly, I'm gonna use the same bronzer to contour my nose. So I like the look of like the button nose because I think it looks cute. Unfortunately, I don't have button nose. I'm giving Pinocchio. So we need to fix that, sis. Okay, so I'm all good with that contour. I'm very much contented. Yes, it's giving contentment vibes. Next step is we're going to conceal. And I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I really use a lot of this. Like, I mainly just use this for brightening effect. I'm going to blend the concealer using my sponge. I don't mess that up. Okay, so now that we have our bright under eye, we're gonna powder. I'm gonna use the, okay, come here. So I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder because I'm trans and that makes sense. But what I do is that I grab powder from the container and I pat it on the back of my hand because I don't like too much powder. It makes me cakey. Like, I don't know why so much makeup makes me so cakey. It just doesn't make sense. I'm also gonna set like the center of my nose, like here. Yes, period. Definitely. Okay, so I'm also just gonna be putting the same concealer on my eyelids just to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. Okay, so as of what you're noticing, my lashes are kind of wonky. Well, that's because they're 2 weeks old. But who cares? Not me, not Hermione, yar. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Morphe X Madison Beer palette because I want to be Madison Beer so bad. Like, I would clearly go lesbian for Madison Beer. So I'm not really gonna tell you what I do with my eyes because, let's be honest, no one's gonna like recreate this. Oh, and there's one shade here that's called Emotional Bruises, my favorite song. How do I word this? Okay, I have to stop. I don't want to get demonetized. Okay, so just because I feel guilty, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing with my lids. I'm gonna take this shade right here and also this one, and I'm gonna blend that and then put that on my crease. Oh, and by the way, so guys, in case you didn't notice, we've also moved. I didn't realize moving was like that hectic. I kind of miss my old house though, but like I also like it here. It's a win-win, I guess. Okay, so I'm taking the same shadow and I'm gonna rim that underneath my eyes because we like to rim, definitely, yes. Period boots the house. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here, but just like a little bit, like not a lot, just a little bit, just a sprinkle, just a little drizzle. I'm gonna spread it like all over my lid. Just like that, just a touch of sparkle. Next is I'm gonna take this dark shade right here, this dark brown. I'm gonna line my upper lash line with that, but like not all the way, just halfway through the edge, just to give it a more like winged out look. Oh my gosh, I'm being like an influencer right here, teaching you guys stuff. Okay, so we're done with eyeshadow, yay! Okay, why am I doing that? That's kind of disgusting. Okay, so time for my favorite part of my makeup, which is blush. And when I tell you, I am obsessed with this combo. Obsessed.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
So I'm gonna be using the Glowgasm and Pinkgasm and the Orgasm by NARS. I know why there's a lot of orgasm reference there. They're probably just horny while making this, but these blushes do make you feel like you're blushing from that guy that ghosted you 2 weeks ago. Yes, we do like that glow that toxic boy gave us 2 weeks ago. And yes, he is already on our block list, definitely. So we're gonna use the Glowgasm Pinkgasm first on our cheeks. And I'm not gonna drag it all the way in because I want my face to be lifted. Lifted boots the house down. Do I look like I'm coming? I'm gonna take the NARS Orgasm and I'm gonna put it over it. Also putting it on my nose, and just look at that glow that this blush gives you. Virginity wear or kissable lipstick. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do a plump makeup. My lips are kind of big, but they are flat. They look flat. They don't look plump at all. Okay, I have to stop with my phony accent. I like to plump up my lips because my lips are kind of flat and nobody wants that. She's already got a flat ass. She might as well have a fat lip. Okay, so what I do is I grab like a rosy pink lip liner and I kind of overline my lips, but only in the middle. Okay, so see how I'm like drawing over my cupid's bow like that? It's gonna give you the pout, like, oh. And then we're just gonna fill it all the way to the actual lip to make it look natural. We're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. An important step is to draw 2 lines here at the top to make it look fat and to make it look like it has dimension, and to draw 1 line down the middle of the bottom lip. And we're gonna top that off with a Fenty Glow lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. And when I tell you this gives you the best plump ever, very Barbie-like. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with this Fix Plus, this tiny little Fix Plus that I got for sample. And then I'm gonna grab my fan. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm just gonna finalize this and do my hair and then pick out an outfit, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Ignore the dogs, by the way. I know it's annoying. It's not even our dog. This is the finished look, you guys. I'm gonna show you the whole entire outfit. I can't show you the shoes though because there are some people here on YouTube that has foot fetish and I'm scared of that. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is the outfit. The little dress thingamajiggy. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you glow up. You show up to school like this because you will not get dress coded because of how hot you are. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video so much. Also, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and click like, comment, subscribe if you want to. But if you don't have to. It's not that necessary. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.